Hello, we are Mylo and Rosie.
We're really excited because we've decided today we're going to head out and about across West Yorkshire and turn on as many Christmas lights as possible. So I think that we need to start at 12 hours.
Here we are. So shall we officially do it?
Yeah.
We're going to be officially turning on folk of this fine county.
This is going to be huge. This is going to be amazing. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One down, 15 to go. We're at the Co-op Academy now, so let's go in and turn them on.
Do you know what's funny? This is our first one. We're already 15 minutes late.
We should be at the next one.
Now!
Now.
Were we meant to plan something to come?
We've come to turn you on!
I'm Mylo's wife.
Guys, well, now that Appleton Academy, we've officially turned you on! Yay!
We are now going into rides, a local charity for local people.
And dancers.
Should we nick bike?
No, there's no dancers here. No, nick the bike.
Holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Not all the lucky one.
This is Marvin.
Came in 18 to 1.
3, 2, 1. Yay! Merry Christmas!
Very underwhelming. Sorry. Who is it?
1 minute.
Who is it?
Everyone look at her.
Right, where's she gone? Is she looking in for us?
I'm just seeing what Mum's lunch.
Oh, who's props for getting home?
Whose is that? Who put sweet corn in spaghetti bolognese? Henry!
Look, we found your one fan. This is Jess, Henry.
Oh my god, they exist.
No, they don't.
She does.
Come on. There's one pudding. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, we're at Kirklees College now. We're going to flick the switch here again and underwhelm more people. 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Come on in, let's stand on some more Christmas lights. Do you want to take our shoes off? No. Are you sure?
I'm going to use the festive reindeer mat. I'm seeing what each individual toy does.
It's just there, Rosie.
Go on.
Hello.
Put them onto your husband.
What does that mean then? Is someone trying to get into my router? Oh no, what do I do? No! Oh, you put the phone down on me.
3, 2, 1. Yeah! And we've just woken the baby up. That's the cue to leave.
Okay, see you later.
I was going to go down slide, but we've not said hello yet, so it's quite inappropriate. So we'll just go in.
High five, high five, high five. Don't leave me hanging. High five, Mylo. Mylo, give a high five. Come on, Mylo.
Hang on a sec. Your name is not Mylo. Is your name Mylo? My name's Mylo as well. Give me some high five. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you see? Only the cool kids get that, mate. Woo.
3, 2, 1.
I've done that twice!
We better leave and go somewhere. We are at the Robin Royd Christmas light switch on.
We are.
AKA Derek's house.
Derek's house. Derek's house.
How many years have you done this for?
17.
And how much so far have you raised for Triple Toes?
Over 53,000.
That's amazing.
And how much have you saved on your lecky bill since you changed to LED? A lot. Yeah, I bet.
Right, are we ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now.
Yeah! This looks amazing.
I'm going to play. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
We made it to Queensbury.
We
We're
are,
in Queensbury.
and we're at the household of the Newberrys, and we're about to turn them on. Guys, give us a whoop!
Yay!
3, 2, 1! Yeah! And then the vicar came in, and they all laughed. Oh, sorry! You've just caught us at Nicole's house, everyone.
We are here at our final house. We've got spread, we've got wine, things on in the oven. I don't even know. Vol-au-vents! It's a posh place.
So,
Sausage rolls. Sausage rolls. Same thing.
So if you just give us 10 minutes, we're just gonna have some nibbles. We're gonna have us wine and then come back and turn them on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas from Mylo Rosie.
We're done. We're done.
My feet hurt.
We're Christmased out now. We've just been for a Nando's, and how many Christmas? Oh, I don't even know how many Christmas
What
lights
time
we've
is
turned
it?
on.
It's nearly 10 o'clock.
Nearly 10.
We've been going since 4:30.
And we're
I think we have officially turned on everywhere in West
at
Yorkshire.
our humble abode right now. So thank you, Zena Cole, for having us.
I'm sleeping in the sleigh. I'm sleeping in the sleigh. Do you know when we said we're a little bit done with Christmas?
I'm all Christmased out, and the jokers at the Cedar Court have had a right laugh with my room.
Come and have a look.
I've got a Christmas tree in it.
It's a full-on Christmas tree. You've got presents. You can.
Look at this.
Merry Christmas! I love the smell.
It's the best smell ever.
Oh my goodness!
So-
Sadie Carr, you have got the last laugh. Well done, you.
And you know what? There best be a lot of bottles of wine in this.